In front of me is ZTE Blade V10, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and click on About Phone. You will find it at the top of the list, right here. And now just scroll down and locate the build number. So here it is. You need to tap on it 7 times. And as you can see now, we are a developer. Then go back, and now you can find developer options over here, Smoothly Enroll Advanced, and here you've got developer options. Now you've got access to all the settings that you can use, all the features, and if you want to activate something, just mark it, and now it is active. Then you can turn it off the same way. Maybe it will be more visible, for example, at the RTL layout direction. As you can see, it has been already changed. So this is it. Then if you'd like to turn developer mode off, smoothly tap on this switcher, and as you can see, from now on it is no longer active. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.